Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the exact columns or ranges that contain unwanted spaces. You do not need to format everything, just focus on where the data lives. Once you have a copy of the sheet for safety, select the range to change. Use the trim function as your first actionable step. Type equals trim, A2 in a helper column, and fill down to remove leading, trailing, and repeated interior spaces. Make sure to inspect results before replacing originals. Once the trim helper column shows clean text, convert those formulas to static values using copy, paste special values. This preserves results and avoids formula dependencies. If spaces persist, they may be non-breaking characters. Use substitute, A2 char 160. Before trim, then reapply trim. For invisible control characters, wrap clean around the input as needed. Make sure to replace only the targeted range and recheck sample. Finish by copying the cleaned values over the original cells and deleting helper columns. This completes the cleanup while preserving format. If you still see spacing, use find with the specific character. Press Ctrl plus F, paste char 160, or use wildcards like asterisk to locate anomalies and correct them manually. If something goes wrong, immediately use undo or restore your backup sheet. Make sure to test a few sample rows to verify data integrity before saving the workbook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.